Good morning everyone, this is Tony Correa and today I'm going to be talking about Shopify versus Ecwid. So to start this, I'm going to be talking first about Shopify. As you can see, Shopify is a platform where you can join and start selling your online products, as well as Ecwid, in which you're going to be selling also your online products. Yes, so first let's start with Shopify. As you can see, Shopify is a well-known company that is potentially in every country of the world. Yes, as you can see, with Shopify you can have many solutions. For example, if we check here, with Shopify you can start your own business or build your brand, migrate also to Shopify. If you ever have a website in another company, you can migrate to Shopify. Also, you can create your website with an online store editor, customize your store, find business apps, and sell your products, as many other features, as you can see right here. Yes, now let's talk about the pricing about Shopify. With Shopify you can find a free trial. You can ever start a free trial for you to check out the platform to see how it works. Then you decide if you want to buy or not. For example, they offer 4 plans: the basic one, the Shopify, the advanced, and the plus one. For example, in the basic one you're going to be paying $19 a month. This is when it comes to the pay yearly, save 25%, or also you can pay monthly here, and you're going to be paying $25 in the basic plan. For example, let's talk about the yearly plan. In the basic plan you're going to be paying $19. You're going to be having your 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling in 3 markets, POS Lite. Also, you're going to be discounted 2% third-party payment providers. That is the bad part, guys, because you whenever you make a sale, you're going to be discounted this percentage. Yes, in contrast to Ecwid, you are not going to be discounted anything, but you just start selling online. Also, I must say that Ecwid is much cheaper than Shopify, but Shopify is larger than Ecwid. Yes, so if you want to start your online store, if you are starters, I recommend you going with Ecwid because it's much simpler for you. You can sell, for example, if we check here, selling your website, link up in Google, marketplaces, mobile, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, and many other platforms. Yes, simplify inventory, orders, payments, taxes, shipping, delivery, pickup, checkout. Yes, now let's check. We continue checking Shopify. Remember that you're going to be starting your free trial. I'm going to be dropping my links down below, guys, for you to start your free trial with a Shopify or Ecwid. So both platforms are nice, are good. Yes, now let's focus on Ecwid. Yes, as you can see in Ecwid, let me scroll down. Get to know Ecwid in a minute. Yes, you're going to be selling your products also on Ecwid, and you can sell on your website. Become the next online success story. Sell anything, anywhere, to anyone. Control everything from a single platform, which centralize inventory, order management, and pricing. Yes, you can also start for free. Email campaign discounts, add products and photos. Yes, a lot of publicity. Yes, automate store management, domain names and SSL, tax calculations, payments, and shipping. Now let's check the pricing about Ecwid. Here we check the pricing. Start selling for free, upgrade whenever. This means that you're going to be starting for free. Easy online store to launch your business for free. Create the store, it's free. Yes, but also they offer the 3 plans: the venture, the business, and the unlimited. For example, for the $21 per month, built annually, or $25 month to month. Yes, everything in free, plus you're going to be selling 100 products plus e-goods. Sell on Instagram, Facebook, mobile store management app, live chat support, access to app market, automate tax calculations, discount coupons, and many other features, as you can see right here. Also, you're going to be checking the business one and the unlimited. How about the support? For example, with the guys from Shopify, you're gonna be also having your chat support, 24/7 chat support. Yes. Also, you're gonna be assisted on the phone. Yes. With Ecwid is similar because you are also going to have your live chat support, your 27 support. Yes. This is when it comes to the pricing. So, which platform is best for you? So I recommend you, if you want to start your, if you are a starter, I recommend you going with Ecwid because it's much cheaper than Shopify. If you are secure of what you are doing, guys, you're going to be starting with Shopify because it's a bit more expensive and you are going to reach a wider audience. Yes. Also, as you can see, the price is much higher compared to Ecwid. Yes. So again, if you are a starter, I recommend you going with Ecwid. If you consider yourself a pro, I recommend you going with Shopify. Yes, okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have liked my video. Remember that I'm going to be dropping my links down below for you to start for free, absolutely free. There's no cost at all. And also, please give it a thumbs up if you liked my video. See you the next time. Bye bye.